For the longest time, I thought my skin wasn't improving because I wasn't using the right products. So I kept adding things. New serum. New active. New trend. And my skin just stayed irritated, textured, confused. But something changed when I stopped doing a few specific things. Not added. Stopped. And within about a month, my skin looked calmer, smoother, and honestly, just healthier. So in this video, I'm going to share the 6 things I stopped doing and the realistic changes that actually made a difference. If your skin feels stuck, this might help you more than another product recommendation. 1. I stopped overwashing my face. I used to wash my face 3 times a day. Morning. After coming home. Before bed. I thought I was being hygienic. But what I was actually doing was weakening my skin barrier. When you overcleanse, your skin becomes tight and dry. And when that happens, it often produces even more oil to compensate. That's when breakouts start becoming frequent. Now I wash. Once in the morning with a gentle cleanser. Once at night to remove sunscreen and dirt. That's it. Within 2 weeks, my skin felt less tight and less reactive. Clean doesn't mean stripped. 2. I stopped mixing too many actives. This was a big one. At one point I was using glycolic acid, retinol, vitamin C, niacinamide, salicylic acid, and sometimes I layered them in the same routine. Just because ingredients are good individually doesn't mean they work well together. My skin barrier was constantly irritated. I thought I was purging, but honestly, I was just overdoing it. Now I follow a simple rule. 1 strong active at a time. And I give it weeks to work. My breakouts reduced. My texture improved. And my skin stopped feeling inflamed all the time. Consistency beats chaos. 3. I stopped scrubbing my skin. Whenever I felt texture, I would scrub. It felt satisfying in the moment, like I was smoothing everything out. But scrubs can create tiny micro tears, especially if your skin is already sensitive. Most texture isn't dirt. It's dehydration or irritation. So I replaced harsh scrubs with gentle chemical exfoliation once a week. And better hydration. And slowly, my skin started feeling smoother without that raw feeling afterward. Sometimes aggressive isn't effective. 4. I stopped trying every trend. This one is hard, especially when you love skincare. Ice facials. DIY masks. Random viral hacks. Some of them are harmless. Some are not. I realized my skin improves when my routine is boring. Gentle cleanser. Moisturizer. Sunscreen. 1 treatment product. That's it. When I stopped experimenting every week, my skin became stable. Healthy skin loves stability. 5. I stopped skipping sunscreen indoors. I used to think sunscreen was only for sunny outdoor days. But UVA rays pass through windows. They contribute to pigmentation and premature aging. Once I became consistent with sunscreen, even when indoors, I noticed my dark spots stopped getting worse. They actually started fading better because I wasn't constantly retriggering pigmentation. If there's one habit that made a visible difference, it's this one. 6. I stopped touching and picking my skin. This was subconscious. Resting my face on my hands. Checking bumps in the mirror. Picking, just a little. Every time we touch our face, we transfer bacteria and cause inflammation. Once I became aware of this habit and actively stopped, my random small breakouts reduced a lot. Sometimes we don't need better skincare. We need better habits. Did my skin become glass skin overnight? No. But within about 30 days of stopping these things, my redness reduced. My breakouts became less frequent. My skin tone looked more even. And my skin felt calmer. The biggest change wasn't glow. It was balance. And balanced skin looks healthy. If your skin feels like it's not improving, maybe don't ask, what should I add? Ask, what should I stop? And remember, good skin is usually about doing less, but doing it consistently. I'll see you in the next one.